Hey there, welcome to the ukestuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of Heaven is Here, which is performed by the McClures. And this song was done at my church a couple weeks ago for the beginning of the Advent season, and I wanted to share it with you today. So with this video, what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming. Additionally, there are chapters in the video here, so you can jump ahead to parts of the video that matter to you. And if you like the chords, you can find the chord chart at ukestuff.info. Ukestuff is a collaborator with this channel. And if you want to support the channel, there are 3 things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can always buy me a coffee to say thanks at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Amoy Myrtle concert ukulele. All right, the first chord you need is the G chord. Then you need the C chord. Then you need the D chord. However you want to play it, I usually put my first finger at the top of the 3rd string 2nd fret and the other 2 fingers around it. There are other ways you can do it. Then a B minor chord. So you're going to bar all 4 strings right above the middle 2nd fret. As a tip, be close to the middle fret, but not on it, because if you're on it, you're going to get that sound. Be close to it, pull against the fretboard. That's most of it, is the leverage, and then give yourself a little bit of support with your thumb. And then your 3rd finger can reach over and play the 4th string 4th fret. That's your B minor chord. And then the E minor chord. And those are the 5 chords you need to play Heaven is Here on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at baritone ukulele. For baritone ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my mainland baritone, cedar top, rosewood back and sides. The first chord is the G chord, then the C chord, then the D chord, then the B minor chord. Now what I do is I always cross over with my fingers so that the 3rd finger is playing the 4th string 4th fret, and then the pinky drops in on the 3rd string 4th fret. And then finally the E minor chord. And those are the 5 chords you need to play Heaven is Here on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. For strumming, just want to remind you, there's never a completely right answer. Strumming just needs to fit along with the beat and sound right with the style, and then it's good. There's no one singular right answer. People are always concerned about that. So if you can just free yourself from that and just make sure you're strumming on the beat and you find a pattern that works for you, that's great. Now, if you can't find a strumming pattern, that's what this part of the video is about. Here's what I hear. Just using this little intro lick that you hear in the song, it works all the way through except for when you're asked to do single strums, is this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Change the C. So that works for me very, very well for the whole song. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now, probably a good time just to remind you about strumming. Generally try to use your first finger, especially early on. If you use your thumb first, you can, but the problem with that is I found that people have a really hard time moving from their thumb, which is so dominant anyway, to using their pointer finger or their index finger. So if you can start off by doing that, that's great. Point to yourself, point to the floor, and then strum where the body meets the neck. That's going to give you the best sound. Versus strumming down here. Also, your finger can get caught in there. So when I'm teaching ukulele to my 5th graders, we talk about where to strum. And then there's always kids that are dropping picks or they get their fingers caught in the strings because they're strumming over the sound hole. If you're strumming up here, that's not gonna happen. Now, picking, generally we move a little bit lower, but strumming is right up there on the ukulele. All right, so with those chords and with that strumming pattern, I think that's all you really need to be successful on Heaven is Here. I hope you love the song as much as I did when I heard it the first time. Thanks again for joining for the video. I hope you're having a great day and a great holiday season, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.